In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to frame your footage using preset aspect ratios or a freeform crop, and how to lock in the result cleanly. Start by opening your project in Canva. If your design has multiple pages, navigate to the page where your video lives so you're working in the right spot. Click the video to make sure it's selected, then double-click it. That double-click opens Canva's cropping interface, where you can adjust what's visible without permanently changing the original clip. On the left, you'll see preset aspect ratios. An aspect ratio is simply the width to height shape of the frame. Choosing one of these presets instantly sets the crop to a standard size. For example, 16.9 is great for widescreen videos, 1:1 is a classic square, and 9:16 is ideal for vertical content. Pick the ratio that matches where your video will be posted so it looks natural on that platform. After you select a ratio, use the handles on the corners to scale the crop proportionally, and drag the video inside the frame to recenter your subject. This lets you control what stays in the shot while keeping the overall shape consistent. If you prefer complete control, choose the freeform option. With freeform, you're not locked to a preset shape. Grab any corner or side handle and drag to customize the crop exactly how you want it. As you adjust, keep an eye on your composition. Aim to keep key elements, like a face, product, or text, well within the visible area, and try to avoid cutting off important details near the edges. Freeform cropping is also helpful for removing distractions in the background or tightening the shot for a cleaner look. As you fine-tune the framing, remember that cropping changes what's visible but doesn't shorten the video's duration. You can always double-click again later to revisit the crop and refine it. Your original footage is preserved behind the scenes, so you won't lose anything if you change your mind. Once you're happy with the framing, click Done. Canva applies the crop to your video on the page. If something still feels off, just double-click and make quick adjustments until it looks right. That's all there is to it. Open your project, go to the page with your video, double-click to open the crop tool, choose a preset ratio or freeform to adjust the frame, and hit Done to save the crop. Simple, precise, and ready for sharing.